you're new here, remember to subscribe to Amanda's Reality. Alright, I'm about to pitch my tent here, right here, so in the yard. Yeah. Alright. Remember, I've never pitched a tent before, any tent whatsoever, so it's my first time. Alright, so let's get into it. So if you're interested in getting a tent, this is not even a paid promotion. If I'm ever promote people and things like me, I get paid. So if anybody want to get like a tent, I just put up the link or the photo when I'm editing this vlog, so you can go get it. Now this is from TEMU. Yeah. So it looks. Right. Like this up here. I guess it goes slow. Yeah. Don't want to do this up. Or what else? I go so. I guess. Yeah. Yeah. That looks. Yeah. Yeah. So you have different options how to carry it. Alright, get into it. Nice. Whoa! Gotcha. Actually, yes, these are the hooks. So there are 4 hooks. Right, the manual. Right, pull out the Alright, hold on. Alright, so it's 3:09 p.m. Alright, I'm gonna get back into this thing, yeah. Woo! Hold on. Alright, hold on. I'll drop this. There we go. Alright. Woo! Whoa! Wasn't expecting that at all. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Look this one. Let's see. Hold on there. Right. So guys, I know nothing about it. A little close up. I have a little zip up. This is a mesh. I have the close up the part here. Alright. I have to say, guys, I don't have no experience setting up a tent. I just read the manual, so okay. Let's have enough space. Okay. I don't know how to turn this thing here. And I have to stay. I want to turn it this way. Oh god. I reckon I did so. Yeah. Turn it so. Right. Ouch. Like that. Right, so. Guys, the slabs are in the way, so I'm gonna, the slabs are right near, so it's in the way, so don't really have much space, but may I try a thing. I'm just put over the slab, but who wants to sleep on slabs? That doesn't make sense. That's hard concrete. Alright, I just have to make it work. Yeah. So for these we place here, there, and the other two areas. Alright, let me show you. The tent can stretch further, but I'm not stretching it because I don't have the space. Oh, this is gonna. So. Do I dig a hole and push it down or what? Let's see. Okay, it's called a ground. So I wanna push it down. Okay. Now see. So look. Right. Okay. It has a little loop right here. Inside. I'm gonna look. Push it down. Alright, that's one. I'll do the other parts. So all the pins are in at each corner. One there. Zoom in. Next one there. There. And there. So this is it. Honey, I'm home. Kind of bad idea, yeah, hello. Alright, so that's how it's looking. What I like about this tent, there's no work to do. It just snaps open and you put in the what you call this thing there? The hooks are the nails at each corner. Yeah. Guys, Rena drew. Rena's drawing. Rena drew. Alright, so I finished showing you. It's like this. Yeah. And then you were like this. Yeah. And I have this part. Like this. Rena drop. Guys, Rena drew some inside the tent. Oh, there's a little hook right here. Look, it is a hook right here. Nice. So you can put like a light on it or any little thing on this hook right here. Alright. Easy quick setup with this tent. I'm gonna drop the mesh. So the mesh keeps up mosquitoes, a lizard, and a little thing you don't want inside. Yeah, but you still get the cool breeze through the mesh. Yeah. Alright, so guys, I think I will be moving it, putting it under the line. Yeah, because we need the tent to stretch all the way out. Yeah. So half of it is on the ground here, and the next part is on the slabs, the walking slabs, which I'm currently sitting on. So it now be comfortable for me to actually stretch out and lie down properly and comfortable. So I will be moving it. So later on, after I set it up underneath the line, I will be moving in my furniture, you know, my bed, my sofa, yeah, my TV, yeah, and my little carpets, yeah, and my little toys, yeah, and like my tablet and so keep me company, because we'll be sleeping out here in the new house. Hello. Guys, if you don't have a sense of humor, you have sense of humor now, because I definitely have a great sense of humor. Yeah, so later on furniture them are gonna move in. Hello. Guys, subscribe. You can't only be watching and not subscribing, liking and comments. You need to comment and hit the notification bell. Alright, so later on, yeah, I'll be settled in. Alright, so stay tuned to Amanda's Reality. Yeah. Well, no, no, come out. Come, man. So I'm going to move it now. Okay, way better. Yeah. Alright, so the hook stem need a little assistant to stay down on the ground. Yeah, so the assistant is here. So later on, furniture will be moved in. Yeah, later on. Alright, so manual, you're no longer needed. Goodbye. Alright, so I'm ensuring that you guys get a proper look on it, because when it dark up you can't see nothing. Yeah. Top. Alright, it's 10:04 p.m. Okay, finish setup camp. Yeah, it's time to move in the furniture. Yeah. Flynn, how are you? Why are you so noisy? Alright, so inside, so I hanged up the light, the floodlight on the little hook that I showed you guys earlier. There's a little hook here. There it is. Alright, bring a little perfume too. Yeah, smelling at the place, so moving all the furnitures, yeah, the bed, the TV, the carpet, you know, even the fridge, and my little play toy, which is my tablet in case I get bored. Yeah, let me tell you the time, it's 16 minutes after 10 p.m. Yep, let's have it right here. Alright, so I'm gonna have more water, little junk food in case I don't want to eat up all of this. Bowl with peanut butter and bread, yeah, donuts, yep. All right. turn on the lights. Come on, stare at there. Alright, guys. What I don't like about this part, when you want 100% like privacy, you can't, because you know, you need ventilation, you know. So in order for me to definitely have 100% privacy, I would actually have to zip up the outside part, which is not a option, right? So we just like zip it parts way. So what if the rain start fall? Yeah, the rain I got literally I forgot blow in liquor, because I cannot zip up the outside part 100%. So thank God it's not raining. Maybe they should have made some little patches of ventilation areas around the tents. What you guys think? Comment and let me know. It's 10:33 p.m. Let me know in the comment section, guys. What's two of them? So guys, I'm stretched right out. Alright guys, so I left here open. So I still can get the fresh breeze coming in. So that little hole right there, bringing in a little fresh breeze. It's 11:39 p.m. 11:39. it's 2:26 a.m. It's nice and cool, and I still have some leftover junk food. Actually, I only ate like one donut. I didn't drink much water either. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to catch some more sleep before daylight out. So, oh god, I'm going to catch some more sleep. All right. It's 5:04 in the morning, guys. You hear that? That's the roosters communicating. Guys, it's still dark out. Let me show you. Yeah, it's still dark. It is 5:04. Morning again, YouTube. So the roosters keep at it for a while and then they stop and then them start again. So it's 5:07 now. So the lights soon light out. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe, share, comment, hit the notification bell. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. Up you mighty race. Yeah, daylight. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I catch y'all in another one. Thank you for watching. Bye.